Hi, my name is Jeffrey Castillo of LA131. I am here to present about a Greek god named Phobos. Unfortunately, I don't have the costumes to represent him, but instead, I will show you some visual aids for us to know about Phobos and the facts about him. So, let's start. Phobos. In Greek mythology, Phobos is described as the son of Aphrodite and Ares, and twin brother of Deimos. Phobos is more of a personification of fear brought by war and does not appear as a character in any myth. He was the Greek personification of fear, flight, and panic. He was known for accompanying Ares in battle along with Enyo, Ares, and Deimos. His association with Ares, the god of war, and Deimos, the god of terror, caused an outward show of fear and panic on the battlefield, resulting in soldiers fleeing from conflict due to abject terror. Phobos often is depicted as having a lion's or lion head-like. Warriors and heroes who worship Phobos such as Hercules carried shields with depiction of Phobos on them. Those who worship him often made bloody sacrifices. Thank you for watching my video. I hope I shared a lot of facts about Phobos. Thank you.